Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Spark battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench for the terminals and a 13mm socket for the hold-down bracket. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a flat, stable surface. For your safety, remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection before you begin any work. Now, let's get to removing the old battery. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and locating the battery, typically found in a secure compartment. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative battery terminal first. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, use your 13mm socket to unfasten and remove the battery's hold-down bracket. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Gently lift the old battery from its tray and set it aside. Place your new, appropriate replacement battery into the compartment. Reinstall and tighten the hold-down bracket to secure the battery in place. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, using your 10mm wrench for a snug, secure connection. You're almost done. Before closing the hood, double-check that all connections are tight and secure. Start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly. You might need to reset your car's clock or radio settings, which is a common occurrence after a battery change. Remember to responsibly recycle your old battery at an appropriate facility. Great job! You've successfully changed your Chevy Spark battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.